Oh, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowry, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Let's get into it. Yes, I went completely babyface because my brother's wedding is in 2 days, and we're super excited. Congratulations. We love you guys. And trust me, there'll be all the pictures. It was a fun time. I should really start a vlog. I just can't. I'm not that guy to just like walk around and be like, oh, yeah, look at me. Fucking, I don't know. I hate that. Sometimes people be acting different. Hey, go. All right, so let's get into it. So today is the last day of the month. It is Thursday, the 31st. Like I said, I'll be flying tomorrow. So for people on the Discord, uh, I'll just do the watch list. And then today's trades were pretty crazy. So I actually stopped out in the morning. You know, I listened to like podcasts and webinars and stuff, and this dude kept saying bullish, 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 and I'm like bearish. And then this setup was, I mean, gorgeous. So it was this to the downside, um, but I was in calls here, trimmed, stopped, and then I went to the Qs. I did calls, trimmed, add, stopped. And I should have saw that it was just a dead cat bounce, no volume. It's gonna keep falling. Uh, so yeah, that's kind of lesson of the day is like I was in a bullish mindset, right? And coming into the market having a bias already is terrible. It's a terrible thing to do. You should never come to the market and be like, all right, we're gonna be bullish today. Like no, that's when you start gambling. So as soon as I realized that like my mindset was backwards, I was like, I need to look. It's another dead cat bounce, right? I was like, I need to reevaluate. So I got up, walked away, got some coffee, right? Reset, came back and caught puts. So it was about right here when it happened, and then this broke through and closed. It was on SPY, and this was our entry right here. This is our entry to the downside. We took it to here, trimmed, and then on this candle, I sold everything. Um, it started. It was just we're in a buy zone, so I don't want to be short. I don't want to be going short into a demand, right? Um, so yeah, so that was the trade of the day, really. I guess you could say I was 1 for 2, or with two. Wait, 1 for 3, 1 for 3. Oh my god, oh my god. Spy looked nice though. We should go back up now. But hey, freaking Thursday trick. What's round it? Thursday, whatever. When it breaks below like this, when pre-market breaks or breaks to the upside, like anytime there's like a support here and then it breaks and leaves that gap and the market opens and just keeps going down, yeah, you can take that bounce. And that's what a lot of people took off of SPX, that bounce, which is great. I took that bounce too. But looking back at it, wait for that retest because that's the real trade. And then you could target, I mean, it's the same RR, right? That's why it doesn't matter. But there is more potential to the downside because we started up high and haven't made a higher high yet. So we kind of know that, we are down. Besides having the oversold as RSI, it was at 20. I was like, dude, this thing, that's why I was bullish. I was like, this thing needs to bounce. But like, if you look back to the 1 hour, we can see like, all right, we got room to come down. We're just you know, bearish on the day. Like it's just, manipulation to push down to go higher or failed, right, all the way and then go. Um, we'll be curious to see. But yeah, that's how you play it. The break and retest on Spy. I only use it on Spy. It only works on Spy. But on days like this is the best time. I even texted my brother. I was like, dude, this is the best day to try out this strategy. And we tried it out and it absolutely banked. I mean, that was the top of the day. So It's your boy Mike Lowry. Hope you learned something. That tip right there alone is a whole strategy in itself. If you solely just use that strategy, you can profit as a trader. But all right, we out.